Here I have HUAWEI P10, and today I'm going to show you how to add a Google account on this device and also how to remove it. So if you want to add a Google account, firstly you'll have to open settings, then you'll have to go to the users and accounts, tap add account, then select Google. Of course you will need internet connection to add Google account, so here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And at last, what you have to do, tap accept here. And after that, account will be added. If you want to delete this account, just select it here and then tap remove. And then confirm it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.